seen as a safe tan, and sun exposure raises the risk of skin damage and skin cancer.
Well, we certainly have that risk today with all the weather going on.
Yes, lots of weather to talk about. 13 First Alert forecaster Allie Potter joins us now. There's a lot of purple behind you. I'm guessing, is that heat or wind? Okay.
Actually, it's all of it. In fact, we right now have 4 weather alerts in effect. Some will expire here tonight, some tomorrow. So let's dive right in. Don't worry, I'm making it easy on you. We're just going to break it down, okay? First, let's go ahead and talk about our First Alert Action Day. Due to the heat, excessive heat warning went into effect this morning. It's going to continue through 8 o'clock this evening at temps ranging from 106 to 113. So we could possibly see our first 110 day of the year. 110 is our forecast, but as you notice though, we've really dropped due to the clouds and the rain that's really cooled us down. So I don't know if we'll see our first 110 after all. 102 though right now in Tucson, 101 if you're in Sierra Vista. We're seeing 106 for Nogales, 101 for Safford and our friends in the Douglas area. A live look here on Mount Bigelow. The big talker of the town was the haze. Did you see it this morning? A lot of folks were going, is it dust? Is it smoke? What is going on? Well, yes, National Weather Service has said that it is definitely the smoke that we've seen, and that blowing dust advisory has been issued for the Metro Tucson area, parts of Pinal, and then even for over for you in the Sells area. Now, if you're in Cochise County, you're in the clear of this. You do not have that blowing dust advisory, but the blowing dust advisory is the reason why we now have this air quality alert. That dust from New Mexico pushed through our region, and that's exactly what we're seeing. So just giving you a heads up there until 8 o'clock. A wind advisory. I told you there's a lot to unpack today. That wind advisory went into effect earlier today as well. It's going to continue for the rest of our day, heading into tomorrow, expiring tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock. Expect some gusty winds, especially if you're in the Cochise County area. So let's time it out, okay? 39-mile-per-hour wind speeds if you're in Safford, 27 for Wilcox, 33 for Benson, 30 for the Bisbee area, 36 in the Douglas area, 25-mile-per-hour wind speeds if you're in Tucson. Calm it down a little bit for Metro Tucson by 5 o'clock. However, not so much the case though if you're in Cochise County. This is literally in the middle of the night, around midnight, 23 miles per hour for Wilcox and Safford. But yeah, the rain is the other talker of the town. We've had all those alerts, we've had all the wind, we've seen the heat, and we're also seeing some of those storms. Now to the north of us, they're dealing with severe storm warnings. In fact, not so much the case at all. If anything, that rain is starting to make its way out of our region. Picking up a little bit of lightning though with our 13 First Alert radar if you're on the east side of town. And the east side is really who saw a lot of that rainfall today. Did you see it? If you did, we'd love to see any videos or pictures. Send them our way. We'll show them off for you. Your 13 First Alert future radar. Let's put that into motion because we're expecting more storms and rain as we head into Friday and our weekend. Here's tomorrow at 5 o'clock, seeing some of those storms and those storm cells making their way through the Tucson area. Sierra Vista, widespread showers. Even if you're in Safford, we're seeing that for Sells and Nogales. Here's 8 o'clock at night on your Friday. Here's 9 o'clock. And yeah, as you do go to bed, especially this weekend as well. And continuing, in fact, as we head into our Saturday, here's 10 o'clock in the morning, parts of Sierra Vista, a little bit in the Metro Tucson area, nearing our friends in Phoenix. That's going to continue through the afternoon on your Saturday, heading into your Sunday, but mostly covering the west portion of our state. Here's a look at that 13 First Alert 7-day forecast. Triple digits across the board. Today's the first day of summer, by the way. We are going to see those storm chances and rain chances do continue tomorrow, and that's going to continue through our weekend, rolling through early next week.
How appropriate we're getting these storms on the first day of summer.
I know. Well, you would expect the heat more so for summer, and monsoon just started over the weekend.
Right.
So
it's good.
We're hoping for more rain.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Allie.
Yeah.
What a difference a year can make. Coming up, how people are feeling when it comes to spending money on a summer vacation.